Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to slit your eyebrows without shaving them. So watch the video till the end. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Click the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up so that each time I post, you'll be the first one to be notified. And after watching the video till the end, leave a comment below telling me what you think. So guys, let's go through the things that we will be using for this video. The first one is this one, some eyeliner, mascara, though it's broken. So those are the things that we will be using for this video.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hear you when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose this. If I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it.
Yo guys, let's be serious. Imagine you've watched the video till the end, you haven't subscribed to this channel. Like, what are you waiting for? Comment down below telling me what you think about this look and what video you think I should do next. So let's get subscribing, let's get sharing, and comment down below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Thumbs up for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.